tell their story. Let me go be young and dumb, thinking off that's auditory. Let the boy be real like Corey. I'll grow in time, but now it's mine. This liquor so fine, she thicker.
So today we got a good amount of stuff planned. We are gonna be working on the Integra, doing little stuff here and there, giving it a good wash, try to get it ready and everything. Then we will go, what is today? Today's August 9th, Monday, August 9th. So this Saturday, August 14th is the Honda and Acura car meet. So I'm gonna bring my Integra there and show it off, have a good time. I already got my spot reserved. I'm super excited for it. My cousin's talking about bringing his K-Civic. So we'll see how everything goes. We're gonna get working on it today. Get everything running, try to make sure everything, little last minute things here and there, get it all done. So I'm pretty excited. Automatic cluster is gone. Now we're putting in the manual cluster. And in the back here we have the sub. Okay, so we switch out the sub to the Alpine and it hits a lot harder. That'll definitely show off in the car show this weekend. What else are we doing? We gotta get this whole thing washed, put the calipers on, or I'm sorry, the stickers, replace the bezel with the pods. And it's looking good so far. It's actually working. He's still doing some stuff with the wires, make sure that temperature sensors are good and the fuel ones are good too. So here's the old one, and here's the JDM one, has kilometers, and the USDM one. He's still messing with the sensors right there, trying to see what it is. He's gonna try to switch out the motors. This one is for the JDM one. While he's putting on this right here, let me show you something new that he just installed today. Let me make my way over. Here it is. His carbon fiber hood finally came in for the K-Swap Civic. After 6 months or 3 to 6 months, he finally got it, and it looks really good. Makes me want one. So he took out the these right here, the speedometer out, and he's actually replacing the motors, thinking that might be the issue too. He's still working on it, try to get everything situated. It's actually kind of hard to actually move the little numbers out of the way. Brand new battery in. Replace the, where did I put it? So I replaced the battery, then we replaced this battery main fuse relay. give it a tight squeeze. Make sure it's in there good and tight. Brand new one, because the old one was busted. Here we are. And of course, as always with Hondas, if you take care of them, Hondas, they'll take care of you. But I mean, it's a Honda, so it should last forever. Technically bulletproof. These are pretty good engines, pretty bulletproof. But like I said, you know, brand new battery now, so I don't gotta worry about that. And let's go ahead and start it up. All right, that's good. Alright, yeah. Alright, it's good to go. Now I'm just gonna make sure that this, the battery, I'm pretty sure the battery is good and it really is good. I'm not worried about it, but I'm just gonna make sure it's still running for a good like 10-15 minutes. Doesn't turn off or anything. Make sure there's nothing else wrong with it. Pretty sure the check engine light is gonna come back soon, but we'll do that when we get there. So everything is good right now with the Civic. It's running. It really wasn't no issues. It was just the battery. It was a fuse or a relay and a battery, because I had to get that taken off the Civic and put it on the Integra to get the Integra running, because it was a bad battery and some other stuff too. I blew a fuse on there, or I blew a main relay fuse. So we're getting everything ready for this coming Saturday for the car show, and I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty excited. First car show I'm actually taking my car to. I'm taking the Integra, and I can't wait.
The next day.
So now it's time to get this car. It's car wash. Tell me if you can hear it. So let's get rented off this car and give it a car wash. So let's start getting this car ready to wash and everything. Just gotta get some stuff situated on it, get all this tree sap off, try to get everything done. First wash, and I don't know how long. All the tree sap and everything. Look how beautiful that is. Rinsing this one off. I didn't use the brush right there. I kept it right there because I didn't want to scratch up the paint. But I went ahead and just scrubbed or just rinsed off everything because it needed a lot. There still is a little bit of dirt, but I just scrubbed that. Another thing I was concerned about was right here. The paint came off. I was like, no. I'm not sure how that happened, but that's why I'm trying to be easy around here. Let's get it in the light. Super beautiful. So I already rinsed off everything. Now we're just gonna kind of let it air dry, maybe scrub off some of the the stuff, and then we're gonna take it back to the shop and finish painting and little touch-ups. Touching up a little bit of paint, just a little brush and a light touch-up, nothing too serious. We are gonna be washing this one pretty soon too. We just rinsed it off too. Well, I took it to the car wash, rinsed it off yesterday, I believe. It looks much better too. The paint is actually holding in and it's really good. So he already touched up the little paint chip right here and on the wing right here. There it is. So just give everything a good wipe down, then we'll probably get to cleaning it off. We gotta get all this kind of detailed and repolished. Get the engine bay cleaned up as well. Just get all this dirt and grime off. It's not even that bad. It still looks good. Just gotta get all this leaves and dirt build up that's been on here, and all these spider webs too. Like I said, just rinse everything off, everything wipe down, and it'll be pretty good to go pretty much. Detailing the car itself probably be the last step. He already painted this side, which looks way better, but the other side, let me go there. The other side is still looking pretty bad. I mean, it still looks kind of faded right here on the rubber trim, and the window trim right here, this is bad looking. He still needs to pull this off, so he's gonna heat it up. Get the heat gun, try to pull it off, and then sand it down and paint it. Then it's time to clean the inside. Maybe stick some glue on here, put everything back together. Okay, time to give it a wash. Scrub it down with this soft mitt, some microfiber towels, and we're just gonna rinse off everything. He has his pressure washer out and his foam gun. Gonna wax and polish, try to get this haziness out, and picked up some compounds today. Just dropped off the Integra to the muffler shop to get the resonator welded on. Now it's time to go home and get some work done on the Civic. So they weren't able to do it today because it said that it wasn't fitting properly, so it still sounds raspy and everything, so we're gonna get it situated, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off their hands, and then we'll finish on the other side, and then I guess it'll be ready for the car show this Saturday. Officially done with everything. I wiped down all the dash, every interior part, vacuumed the floors, the carpet, everything. I gotta just put all this up in the garage. Probably throw this away. I might sell that, who knows. But I wiped down everything, vacuumed it all, then I armor-alled the whole dash. So inside's good, outside's good. Now only thing left is just get ready for the car show. So in the next video, you'll see. But until then, hope y'all enjoy. See y'all next one.